BNSF Railway and CPKC are cracking down on trespassing in the St. Paul area. This comes after 3 teenagers were struck and killed by a fast-moving CPKC freight train in Riverside last month. The teens were walking on a railroad bridge when the train, which was reportedly going around 60 miles per hour, came up from behind them and killed them. Even though BNSF hasn't had any trespassers hit or killed, the company says, quote, "Due to the CPKC incident, we will be adding extra security measures along a bridge and stretch of the rail line that is a hotspot for trespassing. This will include fencing, additional no trespassing signs, and 24-hour police presence." The bridge in question is about a half-mile upstream from the CPKC Riverside Bridge. BNSF said that they've had 11 near misses in just 2 months along that stretch of rail line. 8 of those cases involved teenagers under the age of 16. We now turn to Christina with today's weather forecast.